Good afternoon and thanks for joining us. I'm Holly Shields and you're watching Kalkine TV live from our Sydney studios. This is the last show of the day, the last trade. The S&P ASX gaining 85.80 points or 1.21% today, and it's crossing above its 20-day high, the 20-day moving average. Over the last 5 days, the index has risen 1.57%, but it's still down at 3.97 for the year to date. Now let's have a look at some stocks that were in the news today. And the share price of Elders Limited remained on investors' watch list after the stock jumped over 10% at 13.260 per share on the ASX during the early morning trading hours. The company's shares have gained almost 11% over the past 12 months as well. Elders has maintained that post-finalisation of the February trading numbers. And then another stock to look at, Australian cobalt explorer and developer Cobalt Blue Holdings. Shares that were attracting investors' attention on the ASX recently. The share price is trading near its 52-week high on the ASX, and trading volumes in this month appear higher as compared to previous periods. Today, shares were trading on the ASX at 0.715 per share, up slightly above the previous close. One of the possible reasons behind the peaking interest can be the escalating number of sanctions on Russian commodities and the increasing interest of cobalt towards Australia. The share price of EBR Systems was pushing 4.6% higher to 0.680 today. EBR Systems is focused on the treatment of cardiac rhythmic disease and provides more physiologically effective stimulation through wireless cardiac pacing. The company has provided an update on the SOLVE-CRT investigation device exemption clinical trial. And in a significant development, the US FDA has allowed EBR to include commercially available leadless pacemakers as COE plans to deliver cardiac resynchronization therapy, or CRT, for eligible patients. Now, in other news, the share price of Virtus Health Limited zoomed up over 7% on the ASX today after the IVF services company inked a binding takeover deal with the UK-based private equity company CapFirst. And VRT shares traded at around 8.28 Australian a share after a 3-day-long trade halt since Friday. The company's share price is just a few cents below its 52-week high level of 8.330 cents Australian. And in the last 20 trading sessions on the ASX, the healthcare company's share price has gained over 12%. In a year, VRT's share price has advanced over 33% on the ASX, closing higher each month since December of 2021. And as of date, the small cap company's share price trades at an earnings ratio of 22.5. Now, with that said, that is a wrap for now on the last trade, but tune in next time on Kalkine TV. This is Holly Shields signing off.